It's much more common these days, I think. 20, 30, 40 years ago, it used to be you had one job and you were there and you didn't think about changing, you just sucked it up.
Until you retired.
Yeah, that's right.
And you sucked it up if you didn't like it. But now, especially with the new millennial group, it's moved up from 5 to 8, and now they're saying you're going to have at least 12 different careers. And there's a lot of reasons why to change too, right? I mean, some of it's, people say you don't leave your job, you leave your manager, right? You just want to get out of there. Pay is obviously another one, work-life balance. So the whole bunch of reasons why you might want to change, but that first step is the hardest.
Yep.
Yeah. So if you want, I can run through, probably for the audience, how do you take that first step?
Yeah.
So
just quickly, mate, yeah.
Yeah, the big thing is, okay, take it. So basically, what you want to do is do a skills audit on yourself. So if you're sitting at work going, well, what can I possibly do? When you're going out through the week doing your general tasks, write them down what you've done. And that will start to form a list of your hard skills and even your soft skills like communication or leadership, etc. Then, how are those skills transferable? Many are. So look, jump onto Adzuna or Google ValueMyCV. It's a free tool we have. You just load your CV onto it, and then it'll list all your skills, and then it will suggest several different career paths you may not have